What's up guys, a well-known Samsung insider S11 is back with a new leak. He just posted an image on his Twitter account which shows two screen protectors sitting side by side. According to marketing on them, we are looking at Samsung Galaxy S11 and the S11 Plus accessories. The screen protectors tell us the phone they are made for will have a minimal top and bottom bezels as well as curved edges on the side. Samsung may have pioneered curved displays, but several Android handset vendors use similar design right now, so there's no way to verify authenticity of these screen protectors. After all smartphone makers out there aren't done reducing the size of bezels, especially the top and the bottom ones. Assuming the accessories in the photos are supposed to service the Galaxy S11 series, there is one interesting thing to note. There's no indication of a front-facing top speaker presence in the top bezel of the phone. To be fair, the same goes for current Galaxy S10 screen protectors, as they don't account for the top speaker of the phone. However, Galaxy S10 does have a front-facing speaker at the top, as we can see in this image, which is a kind of design element that can be further eliminated to increase the screen-to-body ratio. By removing the front speaker, Samsung could slightly increase the screen size of the Galaxy S11 and further improve the overall design. Let's not forget that Samsung has unveiled a display technology that transforms the display into a full speaker. Sound on display tag. Samsung may very well use such technology on future products, and the Galaxy S11 might very well be the first to get it. This is just speculation for the time being, as we haven't seen it mentioned in other reports. But let's not forget that Samsung hasn't had a great success in launching phones that look like last year's models. The Galaxy S9 is proof of that. Removing the speaker from the Galaxy S11's front might be the kind of design choice that gets noticed next year. Also, the screen protector suggests that the Galaxy S11 might feature uniform top and bottom bezels, which might also be the first for Samsung. The Galaxy S10 and the Note 10 features a symmetrical bezel, with the bottom bezel being the bigger one in both cases. The Galaxy S11 won't have a 3.5mm port on the bottom, which could help Samsung further reduce the bottom bezels, but that's also just speculation. Then again, these screen protectors might feature a symmetrical bezel design in spite of the actual design of the phones. Galaxy S11 handsets could still support speakers on the top and the thicker bezels on the bottom. In such a case, the screen protector would cover the entire screen, save for the speaker area at the top and a tiny screen area on the bottom. The Galaxy S11 is supposed to be unveiled in mid-Feb according to the recent leaks. The closer we get to that launch event, the more S11 leaks we will get to see, at which point we will know everything about the phone's design and the novel features. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this, guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.